What is crack-a-lacking? Oh, I'm so excited. I love Essentials. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous product. Did I say it was gorgeous? 1718, so the rookie class is strong like bull. And yeah, I'm going to get into it. I think you might, I'm trying to think if you get a guaranteed hit in here. Let's see. Find Blaster exclusive base spiral parallels. I remember seeing those. Unwrap retail exclusive inserts, including Essential Rookies. Look for autographs from the hottest NBA rookies. Okay. I'll take one of those, please. Well, it looks like you don't get a guaranteed hit. I thought you got a jersey card in here, but I must be thinking of something else. So, let's check these out. I've opened at least one of these blasters in the past, but I think that was it. I think when it first came out, I opened one. Alright, Zach Collins, Essential Rookies. Porzingis, Essential Stars. Collison, a Kuzma rookie. And Brook Lopez. Maxi Kleber, Essential Rookies. Jerry West, Essential Legends. A Donovan Mitchell, and this is the parallel version. This is the spiral. So that is a good card. Jonathan Isaac, rookie, and Caleb Swanigan. Justin Jackson, rookies. Blake Griffin, stars. Sindarius Thornwell, rookie, spiral, parallel. Winslow and Karl Anthony Towns. De'Aaron Fox, Essential Rookies. Anthony Hardaway, Legends. Awundu, rookie. Al Horford and Vucevic. And a Don't Steal Me sticker. Shame I have to put those in the boxes, but that's the world we live in. Alright. Dennis Smith Jr., Essential Rookies. Essential Stars, DeMar DeRozan. Sweet, Ben Simmons, Spiral Parallel. Chris and Jack. Royce O'Neal, Rookies. Alonzo Mourning, Legends. Marvin Williams, Dwayne Wade, and Zach Randolph. Last pack of box 1. OG Anunoby, Antetokounmpo, Stars. What did that say? Nurkic, Spiral, Valanciunas, and Gortat. Alright, that was a pretty good first box. That Dennis Smith Spiral. Was it Dennis Smith or Donovan? I think it was Donovan Mitchell. Lord, my memory's getting so bad now. So bad. I'm gonna need to take some of those brain memory supplements before I go out and forget to put my pants on. Alright. Kuzma, Essential Rookies. Tim Duncan, Legends. James Harden. Zach Collins, rookie. And Blake Griffin. Malik Monk, rookies. Kyrie Irving, stars. Tim Hardaway, spiral parallel. Gasol and Justin Jackson, rookie. Bogdanovich, James Worthy, a Kevin Durant spiral parallel, very nice. George and Middleton. Dwayne Bacon, Joel Embiid, stars. Anthony Davis, Royce O'Neal, rookie. Taurean Prince. Terrence Ferguson, Oscar Robertson, Ulis parallel, Saric and Vonleh. Jonathan Isaac, Dwight Howard, Ginobili, Hollis Jefferson, and Holiday. And the last pack of box number 2 has TJ Leaf, Essential Rookies, Wilt Chamberlain, Legends, Russell Westbrook, Spiral Parallel, Stanley Johnson, and Derek Favors. Right now, I think box 1 is in the lead. But let's see what box 3 can do. What you got, box 3? You better bring the heat. Give me an autograph. How about that? That would be a-okay. Alright. Oh, almost dropped it. These are pretty condition sensitive too with all this foil on here. Jordan Bell, Carmelo, Lynn, Drew Holiday, and Drummond. Zach Collins, Alonzo Mourning, Gallinari, Spiral, Reddick, and Bacon. Alright, Kleber again, Chris Paul, Matthews, Leonard, and Clarkson. Justin Jackson, Kevin Garnett, TJ Warren, Parallel, Jeff Teague, Harry Giles, Rookie. De'Aaron Fox, Andre Drummond, there's Harden, Josh Jackson, Rookie, and Elfrid Payton. His hair just kills me. Looks like my hair when I wake up in the morning. Alright, Dennis Smith Jr., sweet. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Caleb Swanigan, Rookie, Spiral, Justin Jackson, Rookie, and Kyrie Irving. Last pack, kids. Last pack. Royce O'Neal, Andrew Wiggins, Rajon Rondo, Spiral Parallel, Marc Gasol, and George Hill. Well, to be completely honest, I was hoping for a few more of the top rookies out of 3 boxes, but it wasn't to be. Still, pretty good. I love looking at these cards. They're just absolutely gorgeous. I wish I'd put together this set. Maybe I still can. Never too late. Never say never. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Hope everybody's doing well, and I will be back with another break very, very soon.